Greetings, Blueberry family. I'm coming to you from the campus of Livingstone College. I'm Dr. Anthony J. Davis, the 13th president, and with me I have
Dr. Jacqueline Davis, the First Lady of Livingstone College.
Earlier this week, Bishop Kenneth Monroe sent me a holiday greeting. He reminded me that the name Emmanuel is translated God with us. And as I reflect on my journey of late, God with us also means that God is with us in the good times, and He's also with us in the bad times. Think about this. God gave us the best gift that He had. He gave us His Son. But think about this. He could have been born anywhere in the world, in a palace, but God chose to have His Son born in a manger, a feeding trough in a barn, because there was no room in the inn. That lets us know that God is with the disenfranchised. So during the season of giving, remember that Jesus is the reason for the season. And from the campus of Livingstone College and the entire campus family, we wish you and yours a very Merry Christmas
And a joyous and happy, prosperous New Year.
And before I go, I have to ask you that question. Who you with? LC?